Hi, my name's Matt Franklin and I'm the Commercial Director here at Avasam, and I've got another new supplier for you. This time we're going to go into the world of spare parts. So we're going to go down to suppliers that ship to the UK, and we're going to scroll across until we get to supplier 265. So they're a China dropship supplier of spare parts of branded home appliances, and what that means is, if I click onto it, it's a range of products that fit things like vacuum cleaners, floor scrubbers, window vacs, as well as other items. I've seen rice cooker spare parts here as well. So it's not always necessary, and it's not always the best thing to try and sell finished goods. Actually, there's a lot of profit in spare parts. Things go wrong quite often with products, and it's one of those search terms. And especially if I consider where I've bought spare parts before, it's been channels like eBay. So I think there's a really good opportunity here. There's tens of thousands of items here, so you're going to have to be clear about your objectives and what kind of products and spare parts that you're going to move into your store. I've had a look through, and there's things like the spare parts for a Roomba. If you don't know what Roomba is, it's a robot vacuum cleaner. We've got the Karcher spare parts, so where they've got the wet and dry vacuum cleaners, even some kitchen appliances in there as well. So, and there's filters, water filters. So it covers an awful lot of categories here. It's pointless picking out products because every product is different, and as I say, you could make a whole business just having spare parts available. All I would do is make sure that maybe the products that you're selecting are products that are available in the UK, and they're not brands or for appliances that are in America, because that might not benefit you, and you might be optimizing the wrong products. But as I said, there are plenty of products to go after on this supplier. If you've got any problems or you've got any feedback about this, then don't hesitate to either contact us through the live chat, which is at the bottom right hand corner, the pink bubble, or contact us at support@avasam.com. And I will see you for the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye. Why dropship with Avasam? Avasam is the UK's only multi-channel, fully automated dropshipping marketplace. We connect professional online sellers to brand owners and optimize sales via established e-commerce platform partners, such as eBay. Our sellers generate sales and handle front-end customer support for your brand. And we automate the order flow, payments, shipping instructions, inventory synchronization to ensure that all orders are reliably fulfilled. When you're on the platform, you'll see many products from 18 categories: fitness, fashion, health and beauty, food, technology, across multiple brands. Avasam has earned multiple nominations and awards from 16 categories from recognised e-commerce and business institutions. Sign up or book a call today. Go to www.avasam.com, and if you're a supplier, go to suppliers and book a call with myself for a platform demo. If you're a seller or interested to be a seller, there's lots of resource on the platform, but have a look at the free trial and sign up today.